Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at 10 more phrases inside of Dall-E. But before getting started, please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. Engagement in videos really does help promote them to other people to enjoy. So if you want to support, do all that good stuff. All right, so the first phrase actually comes from one of you guys that commented on my last video, and it is Iron Man dressed in a Hello Kitty outfit, Starry Night Van Gogh style. I think this is pretty cool. Like, come on now. It got its little blaster right here, the little chest piece, the mask, but it's still like kiddish. Do you know what I mean? This is actually really cool. This one is maybe it's more of a Van Gogh style, but not as pretty. If that makes sense. I don't know. If you're a Van Gogh fan, don't hate me, please. And then this one looks just like the second one, but a little bit more real. And so you know what? I'm gonna download this one because it looks most like Iron Man, and I don't know, just kind of like it the most. All right, so the second phrase that we got is a tall building among tiny buildings, Vaporwave. By the way, if you guys don't know what Dall-E is, I have another video explaining what it is at the very beginning of it. So if you want, after this video, go check that out. Honestly, not that good of a phrase. It's kind of a letdown. It kind of looks like Minecraft in my opinion. I'm not saying Minecraft is bad, by the way. I actually like Minecraft, but I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting. And then this one looks like the World Trade Center, like the new, is it the One World Trade Center? I don't know. It looks like that in my opinion. All right, so the next phrase that we got is a monkey on top of an elephant holding the USA flag on the moon. What the heck? It actually did it. It's not really on top of the moon. It's on the background, but the moon is in the background, but you know what? I'll take it. It's actually pretty cool. Oh, I like this one. It looks real. It looks like a little toy. Yeah, most of these look real except for this one. I don't like the way that the moon looks, not one bit. And I don't like how the elephant is on top of the moon. And I don't like the face that monkey is making. All right, so the fourth phrase that we got is the firmament around the world, Cyberpunk. So this one is actually the one that captures what I think in my head the best. So I will be downloading this one, but I don't know why these other ones look so apocalyptic. Like this one, I mean, why is it so like evil looking? And then this one looks like, oh my gosh, what does it look like? Oh, it looks like the ending of No Way Home, of Spider-Man No Way Home. If you haven't seen it, spoiler warning, I mean, it's been like a year, so if you haven't seen it, I don't think you'll see it now. But you know when Doctor Strange is like trying to put together the pieces or whatever, or trying to hold the universes together, or the universe together, the timeline together, whatever, you know what I mean. Okay. All right, so for the fifth phrase, we got a roll of toilet paper in the middle of the Mojave Desert, 3D render, digital art. Look at it. It's a roll of toilet paper in the desert. And it looks real. Like it's got the shadow and everything. This one is the nicest one. This one looks the most real out of everything. I'm not gonna lie, this would be kind of good for a thumbnail. I don't know why it showed like a wine glass. And then this one, I don't know. It looks kind of like the first one. Like the mountains in the back look like the mountains in the first one. And the roll doesn't look as real. So for our sixth phrase, we have Houston in the year 2099. Daytime photograph. I thought it would look a little bit cooler. This one, I mean, it looks like it's in space. I guess we could be in space in 2099, you know? The skyscrapers do look a little bit like the ones in downtown. If you're from Houston, you know what I'm talking about. This one says 2020. I'm a little bit offended because I specifically said 2099. This one says Hoistu, and it's in a bubble. Or at least the skyscrapers are in a bubble. I don't know. Oh, you see, look, this is the building that I was talking about. And then this one, I like this one. It looks like the sun is blowing up. Maybe the sun does blow up in 2099. The next phrase we have is a boat inside of a lava ocean, 3D render, digital art. Hear me out. As creepy as these photos look, tell me they don't look kind of cool. Like it looks so well made. It looks kind of like, you know, like that Bowser's Castle. Mario Kart. No, yes, no. Okay. This one, I'm not gonna lie, it looks creepy, but like it looks cool, but in a creepy way. I don't know. You know what I mean. You and I both understand each other. And then this one just looks like lava spewing into a lake. I will download this one. All right, next up is Mechagodzilla versus King Kong oil painting. I mean, you know, it's kind of cool. This one's the nicest one. This one is the nicest one. There's no King Kong. It just looks like Mechagodzilla versus regular Godzilla, but it's the nicest one. I won't lie to you. All right, number 9, in light of the iPhone 14, let's look at the iPhone 15 3D render. Okay, I'm sorry, Dall-E. Like, yeah, we got rid of buttons a long time ago. This one looks like the iPhone 5, which, fun fact, I had the iPhone 5 when it came out, so this one looks like, you know, the iPhone 5. And then this one, it looks like the iPhones of not of this like generation. You know how like it's like squared off? This one looks like the previous one, the ones that were rounded. You know what I mean? Like iPhone 6 and above. All right, so for the 10th phrase, we're gonna look at 2 of the world's biggest content creators, Mr.Beast versus Pewdiepie, cartoon style. I don't know what to think of this. I think it really thinks I mean Beast, because this is a beast, and then PewDiePie, I'm assuming is the one on the left. This is best BS best. It looks like it's trying to say like order, money, meal, maybe meal. I don't know, like the Mr. Beast burger. And then this, I don't know. I can see this being a thumbnail for something. And then this one is the same thing. It's thinking that it's a monster. I thought it would, you know, think of more of the person, or at least the logo, or at least the logo colors. And then this one, tell me this ain't like PewDiePie because he got the beard, and then this is Mr. Beast because he has no beard, or he has like scruff. All right, so I'm gonna do one more phrase. I did this in the last video, so might as well do it for this video, and that is a jalapeno with a mustache with a sombrero on top of it, 50mm. All right. One of these has got to be the thumbnail. It looks like a real jalapeno. Like, it looks like somebody dressed up a little jalapeno, put a little mustache, put a little sombrero on it. It looks so real. It's so good. I don't know which one I should put as my thumbnail, though. I think it might be this one, because it looks the most real. And this one is hard to see, so it's probably not going to be the thumbnail. I'm stuck between the first one and the third one. For sure, one of these has to be the thumbnail. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching until the very end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun making it. I had fun making the other one as well. That's why I had so many phrases. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.